welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Rudolph here. And
Buddy the elf.
Buddy? Buddy the elf. So today we are getting ready for a little
Competition?
a neighborhood competition. So everybody is walking around judging people's houses. In some areas they're gonna have hot cocoa stations, and then we also have a food truck out here tonight. So I decided, because I'm extra, I'm like, you know what, we should get dressed up. So here's Rudolph, there's the elf, and here's Santa.
He's not ready yet, because he's lazy.
Santa, it's time to get dressed, boo. So Santa is asleep, but we are about to get dressed, and I figured, well, he's about to get dressed, and I figured I would just bring y'all along so y'all can see what we're doing today, because I think it's gonna be fun. So y'all get to see some of the houses decorated, and yeah. So.
And here's my candy cane.
And there's his candy cane. So y'all will be right back. Y'all, let me, you know what? Let me show y'all what I did before it gets dark, because I'm extra. So we said we're gonna put Tonio on the back of the truck, and Christian on the back of the truck, so we can just ride around and wave to the neighborhood. Look what I did to the back of his truck, y'all. I'm so extra. Look. Y'all, I done made it so he got tools and stuff back there, so I'm like, let me cover up the tools so it don't look that bad. So, and then I put this down and put the chair up there. So we're gonna have Santa up there waving to the whole neighborhood, and Buddy is gonna be his sidekick, and I am gonna be the driver. We're gonna drive. So yeah, it's gonna be cute.
Rudolph, guys.
Yeah. So I see some people already have their lights up. It's supposed to start at 6, so that's in about 30 minutes, because y'all know that's when it gets dark. And yeah, so we'll be right back. Let me help Santa get dressed. He need to get up, because he's
lazy Santa.
Yeah, he lazy Santa, sleepy Santa. All right, you guys, we are ready. Rudolph here, Buddy the elf here.
Now Santa.
Santa. Why you gotta look like that? Look happy. Santa here with the J's. So we are ready. We're about to go get on the truck and ride around the neighborhood. So we're gonna take y'all with us.
Let's get a thumbnail.
Oh, should we get on a... Yeah.
What kind of thumbnail we need?
Hold on, let's prop it up like this. And then we just gotta stand in front of it. Whoa!
Like that.
Come on, Fat, do something. Okay, scoot over that way a little bit. Yeah, clean, yeah.
Hurry up, Kara.
You doing stuff?
Yeah, you just stay still. Okay.
You sure you got it?
Where are the keys?
Nice.
Tonio, do you have the keys? Oh, wow, right here. All right, guys, we're ready. Oh, this is my front porch. We went through and added a couple of lights. Just added them around there. That's it, nothing major. So I pretty much know we're not going to win the competition, but I wanted the house to have some lights on it. Y'all, and how about, did y'all watch the video when I put the swag over the door? It fell, and I just didn't put it back up. So anyway, oh, did you leave it?
Yeah.
Okay, go get it. Y'all, Santa and Elf are ready. All right, let's roll, trolls. right, guys, we did our drive around. It was cute. Everybody was waving. Wait, we're gonna record the.
Houses.
We have a
Competition.
No, what is it called? The stations. Oh, the hot chocolate stations. Yeah. Hi.
Hey, don't let no deer. Hey, don't let no deer come around my house.
That's right.
I haven't even tried it yet.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, what do we have?
We have hot cocoa,
Okay.
that whipped cream, and then for adults we got a little peppermint twist.
We're just starting, y'all. Our neighborhood is only like 3 years old. Yeah, our neighborhood is only 3 years old. So eventually we'll get to the point where we're one of those neighborhoods where the whole street is lit up. But they did really good up here in the front. Look at all the houses in the front, pretty much lit. They did a good job. Oh, I didn't even, oh, it says Christmas. I didn't even notice that. Okay. Tonio, we do need to, oh, okay, so let me show y'all how we're doing it. So they went around and put numbers. So everybody has a lantern bag with a number on it, and then you just pick whatever number house you like. This one, they did a lot.
Yeah.
They did.
I didn't know it said.
You like this one?
Daddy said he liked the other one all the way over there.
Yeah, the one up front. I like that one too. I like the big bow that they put on that one. Yeah. Y'all look at this one. Got the Grinch pulling all the lights off the tree. That's cute. We got the Grinch. We got Cindy Lou. And what's the dog's name? I don't know. Not the dog. Max. Hey. Okay, y'all. So this is the house that Antonio likes. I like this one too. Look at the big ribbon that they put up there. Yeah, they did a good job.
How they did that boat?
It's a big bow. And over here, this is the front where we have our food truck. And this is oh, Daddy-O's food truck. Hi. So this is Nacho Business Daddy-O's portable patio. And right now it's a limited menu because, oh, Grammy's calling. Hold on. All right, y'all, this is the food from the truck and it looks amazing. So we got like, it's like a nacho situation, but with tater tots. We got 2 actual nachos because we all like nachos. And then we got 4 tacos, like 2 shredded beef and 2 chicken. So yeah, we about to grub out.
No, I'm gonna grub out.
You gonna grub out?